Another important thing about the shadow box is it does pack flat. And so all these pieces are going to eventually come apart. There are pins, pretty self-explanatory, but there are pins that will go in between the hinges of each side, and they are attached with some elastic string, which is a really great thing. Notice in the back, on the bottom, it's going to say left, back, and right. You're going to see the letters. That's going to help you know what goes on the left, the back, and the right. Obviously, the white goes in the front. The other thing to help you is this. On the bottom of the base, which is on wheels, you do have the word front. And so don't forget to look there. You're going to see where the word front is. This basically just will screw on and off. And that's all it does. Is this is basically a pipe that goes down there. It just screws on and off. Please don't over tighten it. There's no reason to over tighten it. It just makes it harder to get it off at the end. Screw it in and make sure that base works. The material is kind of dirty. We need to get it cleaned. If you guys want to wash it, clean it, you're more than welcome to do that. It's pretty obvious how this prop works once you understand all of that. I will tell you, the wood up here has been broken. Don't worry about that. It does break occasionally, and right now it's just sitting up here. Once we get it all together, it seems to be pretty solid and a good prop and a good working piece. Just be careful with it. That it doesn't get kicked around a lot, and once it's in place, that the square keeps its integrity of a square. You don't squish it or whatever, because that will start to get those hinges to come out. Just a little bit of tips about getting the magic shadow box together.